How to install Super King Sickle. First of all, remember to take safety precaution. Place the Super King Sickle into the sickle holder. Insert both screws from the sickle holder until it is fit. You may tighten it up by using the Allen key provided, but remember, don't fully tighten it yet. Adjust the sickle to your preferred angle that is suitable to use in your farm. Once set, fully tighten up both screws. After that, tighten up the small screw at the side of the sickle holder until it is fully tightened. Make sure the sickle is unadjustable and tight. You're welcome and thanks for watching.